dancing slow through the snow on Fifth Avenue. And right now, radio's all that we can hear. Now we ain't talked since we left, it's so overdue. It's cold outside, but between us it's worse than here. I hate this part right here. I just can't take your tears. I hate this part right here. Every day, 7 takes of the same old scene. Seems we're bound by the laws of the same routine. Gotta talk to you now before we go to sleep. But will we sleep once I tell you it's hurting me? I just can't take your tears. I hate this part right here. I know you'll ask me to hold on and carry on like nothing's wrong, but there is no more time for lies, 'cause I see sunset in your eyes. I can't take it any longer. Thought that we were strong.
I just want to see you when you're all alone. I just want to catch you if I can. I just want to be there when the morning light explodes. On your face it radiates. I can't escape. I love you till the end. I just want to tell you nothing you don't want to hear. All I want is for you to say, oh, why don't you just take me where I've never been before? I know you want to hear me catch my breath.